Yes,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
7. IA.
Lordship, we will be filing objection to the 2 weeks may be given, Lordship.
What? It's what, for condonation of
Lordship,
delay?
Lordship, delay.
File condonation of delay. Have you prayed for adjournment?
2 weeks.
How many times have you prayed for time to file a written objection?
Lordship.
How many times? I'm asking you. Is this the first time you are praying for another date, or previously also you
I
have
think
asked?
second time, Lordship, second time.
So by next date, definitely.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
Laknai form, Lordship.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the opposite party / respondent has prayed for another date to file their written objection. In view of the above, as prayed for, list after 2 weeks on, give a date. When will you be able to file?
'17, Lordship.
On 17 to 2026. Okay.
Lordship, I also like to mention item number 8, Lordship. Here, Lordship, I am for the appellant, Lordship. 2 weeks time may be given, Lordship.
You're for the appellant
Lordship.
and appeal has not been admitted.
Admitted, Lordship.
And what are we waiting for?
The counsel, the impaneled counsel, she is on leave today, so for the insurance company, Lordship.
This is a MAC appeal. Okay, you must pursue them. Anyway, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant, has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent
Lordship.
from the other side. In view of the above, as prayed for, list after 2 weeks during the second week of February 2026.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3, my lord. Lordship, here the leading counsel is on bereavement, your Lordship, Lima Wapang, who has applied a letter of absence also, your Lordship.
You're for the petitioner?
Petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr.
Lima Wapang.
Lima Mapang, learned counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter. In view of the above, list after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, similar prayer for item number 22 and 23, my lord. Same counsel, Lordship, Lima Wapang, on
Item
bereavement.
number?
22 and 23.
Consent from the other side taken?
My lord.
So you're for the respondent here?
No, I'm for the petitioner.
Petitioner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of with the consent from the other side.
Lordship.
List after 2
2
weeks.
weeks, my lord. Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, may I be pleased to mention item number 13? Your Lordship, I just received the status report on the phone, and it's never coming on Thursday, so it can be taken.
You're the applicant?
Yes, Lord.
Okay. As prayed for, on the prayer sought by the learned PP.
Yes,
Is
Your
it? For the state matter be listed. Make it on Monday.
For me,
Okay, on Monday. What's Monday's date?
is it?
Second Feb.
Okay,
Second.
on 02/03/2026.
Interim may be extended, Lord.
Meanwhile, interim prayer passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Yes.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item 1, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here I received information that the review petition has been dismissed, Your Lordship. Let me obtain a copy and submit it before this Lordship, and on the next date, Your Lordship, I will apprise on the status of the case, Your Lordship.
Lordship, order. Here is the.
SLP was dismissed. They filed review. Review has been dismissed.
So this is a contempt petition.
Yes, Your
Contempt petition.
So next date will be for filing your what, compliance?
Yes, no, Your Lordship, I will, because it involves a
Show
huge
cause.
amount, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I have to see like the status, Your Lordship, as to how
Okay,
the
okay.
government is taking
So
steps.
we'll give her time.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For the petitioner is Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so.
Levika, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for,
advocate.
but you're government advocate, but you must be representing some price.
Yes, for
this
all-
thing,
for all the
For all the
contenders.
respondents, full stop. The learned government advocate appearing for all the respondents submits that the review petition filed in connection with the judgment and order of this court in what, WPC number? Must be a WPC.
Yes,
WPC, Lordship. The WPC number 174, 2018.
Okay, 174 slash.
Writ appeal is number 9, 2020.
Never mind, 2018, okay, has been dismissed by the apex court in review petition within bracket civil, diary number 45646/2025, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents submits that she may be given time to get necessary instructions in the matter. In view of the above list,
3 weeks
after 3 weeks.
As a last chance, this is 2022.
Your
No,
Lordship, here,
to file their show cause affidavit.
Your Lordship, it involves a huge amount. The
So
petitioner
show
is-
cause, so you should file your show cause affidavit showing as to why
Yes, Your Lordship.
the compliance report is not submitted
Oh,
yet.
Your Lordship. Affidavit can be filed.
They have already filed, right?
Previously also we have been filing, Your Lordship, but because of the review petition.
Additional show cause affidavit.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 24. As my senior is indisposed, the matter may be listed after 3 weeks. We took the consent from the opposite party.
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mr.
Tushi Olong.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks.
2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14 and 15, Lordship. Analogous matter, Lordship. I may allow consent to file my affidavit, Lordship.
You're for the,
I'm for the state respondent,
okay, PP, addition PP.
Lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the state, Mr. So-and-so, learned additional PP. Is it for the state respondents? Have prayed for time to file his affidavit, which is not objected by the learned counsels for the petitioners. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks.
2 weeks.
Obliged. Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
11,
Lordship.
IA,
Lordship. Here they have Lordship.
written objection, you have to file.
Lordship. But I'm yet to receive instruction, Lordship. 2 weeks' time may be granted.
This is what, this
This
thing,
is for
condonation,
condonation
for
of
condonation.
879 days.
810.
79 days, Lordship.
Then you file your written objection. Yes, Mr. So-and-so, learned PP for the state respondents have prayed for further time to file their written objection, which is not objected by so-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, is it? Learned counsel for the applicant. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, may I kindly mention item number 25 of heading item. So kindly list this matter on 16th of February, since my senior is indisposed.
Both the parties? Okay. On the submission made by the learned counsels for both the parties, list the matter as sought for on 17th.
16th of February.
Okay, 16/02/2026.
Yes, deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 20. Your Lordship, can you list the matter after 2 weeks since my senior is indisposed?
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr.
Nityo Kosa.
Okay, so and so, learned counsel for the applicant for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side.
Lordship, I'm for 2 and 3, Lordship.
Okay, so we'll make it from the other side.
Lordship, Lordship.
In view of the book, list after, when do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship, kindly grant us 1 week time to file our amended petition.
What do you want to file?
Amended petition, Your Lordship.
Oh, how many times have you prayed for amendment?
Lordship, let this be the last time.
Oh, must be a simple amendment. What sort of amendment? You have to file an IA praying for, that's been allowed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Amendment allowed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then do it fast, isn't it?
Okay, Your Lordship.
Anyway, Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for another date to file their amended writ petition, within brackets criminal. In view of the above, final chance may be given to file their amended petition. List after
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week.
Right, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 26. Here, there's a new development in this case. So we're in the process of filing a new writ petition. So kindly list this matter after we have filed the new writ petition.
Okay, so you withdraw?
No, Lordship, after I filed the new writ petition.
A new?
Yes.
No, if you're going to file a new writ petition, then you withdraw the old one and file
No,
a new
Lordship,
one.
we want to link that new old one
Pardon?
with the new one. Yes, connected case, Lordship, after I filed the new writ.
No, you just pray for adjournment, okay? We cannot mention that you file a new writ petition
Kindly
because we
list
don't
this
know what the
matter,
matter is about, okay?
2 weeks time may be given.
So you just pray for adjournment.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. And if you want to file a new writ petition, you pray for this thing, withdrawal of the old one and file a new one if it's the same matter. It's not, is it? Then, Miss So-and-so, is your name in the cause list or you're appearing on behalf of your senior?
Petitioner on behalf of my senior.
Okay, Miss So-and-so appearing on behalf of her senior, Mr. So-and-so. Okay, Aunja has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate. Yes. Okay. In view of the above, matter be listed after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Please, Lordships. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Your Lordship.
Item number
10, Your Lordship.
10.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm
Okay.
going to mention on behalf of Yanwari for the respondent number 1. For the respondent number 1. Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship. Here,
So who
where
is the counsel for the, yes,
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
petitioner?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship, on the last occasion, I was directed to place on record the service copy to respondent number 2. So if you may be allowed to place the service copy.
Who is respondent number 2?
DRI, Lordship, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Dimapur.
Anyone appearing for respondent number 2? No one?
Lordship, I've served a copy on 2 different occasions, Lordship, but
Okay.
till date.
Anyways, so respondent number 1 has prayed for adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 and has produced the document showing that notice was duly served upon respondent number 2 on 15/01/2026. Full stop. However, none appeared for respondent number 2. Full stop. This court finds it, in view of the above, No, before, however, okay, in view of the above, notice is deemed to be complete upon respondent number 2. Okay, full stop. Then, however, none appeared for respondent number 2. Then, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1 has prayed for adjournment of the matter. No, Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1 has prayed for adjournment of the matter. In view of the above, matter may be listed after
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. It is
Lordship,
in the file.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, we'll make it 2 weeks. What's up? Now, notice is complete upon respondent number 2.
Lordship, this is a very simple matter, Lordship.
what
I'm
is-
only praying for releasing of my vehicle, Lordship.
Then Your Lordship, if I'm allowed to place some submissions, Your Lordship. So as far as the matter is concerned, Your Lordship, the respondent number 1, that is the Ministry of Finance, does not have much more on this, Your Lordship, because it burdens to the state government. That is the respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Okay, so we'll give, okay, in view of the above, in the interest of justice, we may give a chance for respondent number 2 to be duly represented. Okay, list after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Now, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 21, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the leading counsel is from Gauhati, Your Lordship. M. Das Gupta, who's indisposed today, Your Lordship. So, on a consensus prayer, Your Lordship, from the amicus curiae, this matter can be fixed on 10th of February, my Lord.
Okay, you're for the petitioner?
Yes.
Okay. Mr.
No, she is for the respondent number 2, my Lord.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are praying on behalf of?
M. Das Gupta, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel has prayed for adjournment of the matter on behalf of Mr. M. Das Gupta. Learned counsel for the appellant for adjournment of the matter, since the learned counsel, being an outstation counsel, is not able to appear today. Ms. So-and-so appears on behalf of respondent number 2, is it? And has raised no objection. In view of the above, list the matter after.
10th of February, my Lord.
Okay, list the matter as sought for on 10/02/2026.
Much obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I can beg to mention item number 9, my Lord. Lordship, here, my senior is the empaneled lawyer for the insurance company, Lordship, who is indisposed today, Lordship.
Okay, so you are for the
Appellant, my Lord.
appellant? Okay.
Yes.
Mention is made on behalf of the appellant for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side.
Lordship.
Okay, in view of the above, list after
2 weeks, my Lord.
2 weeks.
Okay. Much obliged, Lordship. I can obliged,
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. With respect to item number 9, can it be 4 weeks?
Now, who is the appellant? Appellant has prayed for adjournment and the respondent has prayed for 4 weeks. So the insurance company is the appellant. It is the respondent who will be the claimant who should be rushing the matter, isn't it? Praying for an early. Why
Yes,
for?
Your Lordship. So actually my senior is indisposed. So he's going through some.
The claimant, that is the opposite party, is not in a hurry, isn't it? So in view of the above, list after 4 weeks.
obliged, my Lord.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 12.
12.
Since the standing counsel for NIA has some personal difficulties, kindly list the matter after 3 weeks.
Okay.
My Lord, in this case, I am appearing for respondent number 6. We have today filed our affidavit in opposition.
Okay. Mr.
Your Honor, I'm for the petitioner. So since this is an urgent matter, if the matter, the notice for respondent number 6, respondent number 5 has been completed, although they haven't entered appearance yet.
Okay, so notice is not complete upon respondent number 5, is it?
Well, it has been completed.
Complete.
Yes.
Look at the files, simply making mention, it becomes a bit this thing. Just simple mention, it's okay. But when certain prayers are made, okay, but all the items, adjournments, very few left, isn't it? So we're not even calling out the cases,
Yes.
just making mentions. So this is, you're mentioning item number?
12.
Item number?
12.
12. Okay. Now 12, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number
6, my lord.
6, submits that they have filed their affidavit
Affidavit in opposition.
in opposition, while Miss,
Aungkala.
okay, appearing on behalf of respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4, submits that the leading counsel, Mr.
Cynthia.
Okay, Cynthia Saunders is not able to appear due to some personal difficulties. Then, Ms. So, appearing on behalf of Mr. You're appearing on behalf of whom? Petitioner.
Yes, for the petitioner.
Is your name here?
Yes, my lady.
Miss
Catherine Anichai.
so-and-so, okay, Catherine, is it? It's so-and-so? Learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed, submits that notice upon respondent number 5. Let's see the file is complete. How can you say it's complete? Was it?
Ma'am, we went to the registry and took
Okay.
made an inquiry.
Okay, as per the office note dated
My lady, even in the order dated 3rd November 2025, an order was passed to the effect that respondent number 5 didn't appear in spite of notice.
nothing concerning respondent number 5 in the office note. Okay, submits that notice upon respondent number 5 is complete. Full stop. Registry to verify. Okay, then full stop. On the submission made by the learned. Okay, cancel that. Okay, office note already says that, so you don't have to mention that. It's already here. This is on 15/09/2025. Yeah, okay, then instead of that, we'll say to seen that it's already mentioned that notice upon respondent number 5 is complete. Don't make it a fresh mention, okay?
Yes, my lady. My lady, since respondent number 5,
A notice
They
already deemed to be complete, okay? So leave respondent number 5. Now don't make any fresh mention. Now you're going to pray for next date. Okay. It seems that notice upon all the respondents is complete. List the matter after.
lady, I just want to make a prayer praying that since respondent number 5 has not
Yes,
hearing,
so give a date. You want a date?
yes, for hearing.
Fixed date.
Okay, it is seen that notice upon all the parties is complete and pleadings are complete. Have you filed the others? Have you filed your affidavit, anything?
Yes, my lady.
I'm not in this
I
matter.
filed.
Okay, it is also submitted that pleadings are complete in the matter. In view of the above, matter may be listed for hearing.
Okay.
On, give a date.
23rd February.
27 February, ma'am.
27. They have prayed for 27th. You want 23rd?
Yes, my lady, on 27th, we have a matter in the trial court, so we will not be able to.
On the 23rd, you cannot make it. So give a date.
My lordship, can it be on 24th then?
On 24th, is it convenient for both the
All right.
councils?
Yes, yes, yes.
In view of the above, as sought for, list on 24th, 02/2026.
One prayer, my lord. My name may be shown in the cause list. It's not shown.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number
6, my lord.
6, submits that since his name is not reflected in the cause list, he prayed the same, he prayed that his name should be reflected. In view of the above submission, registry to do the needful.
Obliged.
Yes.
Keep the pledge.
Keep your pledge.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item 16.
16,
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Counsel Arun Lung. Lordship, in this matter, a service report to respondent is still awaiting.
Okay. Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the, appearing on behalf of Mr. Aaron Long, learned counsel for the appellant, submits that service report upon respondent number 2
Yes, Lord.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
is still awaited. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, PP, is it?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
the state respondents is present. In view of the above submission, we may await for completion of service upon respondent number 2. List after
3 weeks, Lord.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Please, Ladyship, I beg to mention item 5 and 6. Ladyship, here I'm for respondent number 1. I am yet to file my objection. Earlier I filed, but it was rejected on some technicalities. So if I may be kindly given some time to file my objection.
You were allowed to file a fresh written objection or what?
It
Rejected
was
by this court?
rejected by the filing section because of
Okay,
some
okay.
technicalities.
No, so Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the opposite party, has prayed for further time to file his written objection. In view of the above, list after?
5 and 6.
After?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
I'm for the appellant, my lady.
Okay, the presence of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant is noted. Yes.
Deeply applied.
True VC. Okay.
Deeply applied.
Yes, so mention is made, everything is complete, any matter left?
Admission, item number 2.
Review petition.
My lord.
So-
On 9/9/2025, Accountant General was
So who's
given time to
representing?
file
Huh.
affidavit.
I'm representing the accountant.
Huh.
Lordship,
So we have given you final chance because you have not been this thing filing your counter affidavit in
Lordship,
the
here,
review.
this matter was dealt by Mr. Joshua Shiki, the other standing counsel for the AG.
Ah.
But this matter was dealt by me in the first writ petition, Lordship. So there was some miscommunication. And as far as this is a review petition, Lordship, so whether affidavit will be required, because only on the substantial question of law, the matter has to be decided.
So that's why, are you going to file your
No,
this
no,
thing?
Lordship,
No, we'll just have the thing.
We
Can
can
we
hear
hear
on
the
the
matter?
review petition, Lordship, yes. Because the
Yes.
issue is very simple, Lordship. Because whether the petitioner is entitled to extraordinary pension.
Yes.
That is the issue.
That is the whole question.
Now the interpretation of the Home Ministry notification and the state notification should be interpreted, Lordship. Because he was a driver, he died in a duty.
So let him give, why have he filed the review
My lord,
petition?
yes.
Because judgment was already made where we find that you were not entitled to
My lord, that
extraordinary
is what-
pension. But you have said that he is still entitled, so on what grounds?
My lord,
Should we review?
the whole question will be.
And see, you cannot, change some new facts,
No.
okay? Or something where it needs to be reviewed. You
No,
have
no.
to see also whether your review petition is maintainable when we are not going to, whatever reasoning the court has made, okay? That is going to stand unless, if it's a review petition, something was amiss.
My lord, yes.
So what
My lord,
was not
first-
considered by this court?
First issue is
Huh.
extraordinary pension rule 2. Rule 2, what does it
Give me a
say?
copy.
Yes. Yeah, did you? Rule 2 is,
Yes.
this rule shall apply to all persons paid from civil estate other than workman compensation act. Applies. Whether their appointment is permanent or temporary, under scale of pay or fixed pay. My lord, in my case, it is a fixed pay. If your lordship interpret this rule 2, it squarely covers the petitioner.
So you're saying that he has got a fixed pay?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. He was under fixed pay.
Let's see his appointment. Page?
Page 55. Type copy is 55A, my lord. May I read out? Having been found medically fit, that is, as per the fundamental rules, Sri such and such is hereby appointed on contingency basis for a period of 6 months with effect from such and such in the fixed pay of rupees 450 per month.
But it's on contingency basis,
My
isn't
lord.
it?
My lord, skill of pay or fixed pay, or even piece work rates.
On the scale of fixed pay,
My lord,
paid from, shall all persons from civil estimates.
yes.
Civil estimates is what?
My lord, that is from the, estimated from the salary, which is
Salary.
estimated, yes.
Salary,
sanctioned by the
salary,
government.
salary is different, salary has a different head.
Yes.
He's not paid from
It is
salary.
estimated first by each and every department. He give a estimate in this book.
So he's been paid from salary head or what?
My lord, that is what it is clear.
Contingency.
Pay,
this thing.
the pay is very clear.
Anyways, that's your submission.
My lord.
So he said he has to be covered.
My lord, that is what I am trying to say.
Okay, so, so how is it? Okay, then see, go down. Date of injury, accident. So where's this thing? So read only this, that's all.
My lord.
So this,
56.
so he says he
my
has
lord,
having
as your
fixed pay.
lordship has pointed out. 56, what is this? This is government identity card.
Okay, so he is having a fixed pay, he's a government servant.
My lord.
He's also given an I-card, okay.
My lord.
So even though he is a contingent employee, he has a fixed pay and therefore on his death, he is entitled to pension.
My lord.
Extraordinary pension, because he died during his performance of
My
his
lord,
duty.
my
I
lord.
think that's his main thing. So your only point is that this part. Is
My
it?
lord.
Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, I thought my senior friends is going to make a lengthy submission, Your Lordship.
My lord, I cannot. The problem with me, sir.
Because we know the facts. I have the judgment, so I know the facts.
Yes.
Okay.
Your Lordship, as far as CCS Pension Rule 1972 is concerned, we agree that CCS Pension Rule 1972 is applicable in the state. Now, Your Lordship, if you see the applicability of the CCS Pension Rule, the applicability, which Your Lordship will find it at Rule 2, application. I may be allowed to read this application, Rule 2.
Of what?
Of the CCS Pension Rule 1972.
Not the extraordinary pension rule.
Your Lordship, the extraordinary pension is not applicable in the state of Nagaland. This court has, yes.
So he's only saying that the extraordinary pension rules is applicable, and so in the extraordinary pension rules, he has mentioned that here the extra. So don't go to what you revert to what he's saying.
Yes.
He's come to this court again only on this point.
Yes.
Okay, that the extraordinary pension rules is applicable. Okay, CCS. And as per Rule 2,
yes,
it covers those persons who are having fixed pay.
Yes.
And now the instant deceased person
Yes,
for whom this thing, he says that he is having fixed pay as
Yes.
per his appointment order,
Yes.
having a fixed pay of rupees 400 and something
yes,
per month.
Yes.
So that's his only point.
yes, Your Lordship.
So we'll not go into that, we'll just see this point.
Yes,
So
Your
on
Lordship. Then,
this-
then Your Lordship, kindly come
So
to
you're
page.
saying this is not applicable?
Yes, kindly come to page 204 of the review petition, para 14.
Wait, 204.
Para 14.
Yes.
I may be allowed to read this, Your Lordship. It is also noted the rupees 2 lakhs as ex gratia grant, which was paid the petitioner in the month of December 2016, was not paid under the OM dated 6/6/1995, but was paid on the strength of the notifications of the Home Department, Relief and Rehabilitation Branch dated 22/10/2013, which was communicated to the government advocate on 7/2/2020. The view, Your Lordship, this is important. The view of this court does not differ from the observation of a coordinate bench of this honorable court in its judgment and order dated 25/5/2017 in WPC number 202K of 2015 that the Central Civil Service Extraordinary Pension Rules 1939 is not applicable in the state of Nagaland. Further, on reading of Rule 2C of the Central Civil Service Pension Rule 1972, it is specifically stated that the rules shall not apply to persons paid from contingencies, whereas the appointment order of the deceased dated 10/5/2001 specified that he was appointed on contingency basis for a period of 6 months from date such and such in a fixed pay of rupees 450, which was later extended for 3 months by order dated 5/11/2001. Thus, the instant petitioner cannot claim the pensionary benefit under the Central Civil Service Pension Rule 1972, Your Lordship. So this court has already taken into consideration that the rules of 1939 is not applicable in the state of Nagaland.
That's what. But now he has come on review saying that the rules are actually applicable. So you have to satisfy this court that this court, when it came to this observation,
Yes.
had mistakenly,
Yes.
I think that's his point,
Yes.
make the observation
Yes.
that these rules, okay, extraordinary pension rules are not applicable. This is a wrong observation made by the court.
Yes.
That's why he has come on review.
Correct.
So now you have to satisfy this
Yes.
court
Yes.
that this is actually not applicable as already observed by this court earlier.
Correct.
Yeah?
Your Lordship.
So just show me. how.
Yes. In that case, Your Lordship, allow me to take to the order dated 22/5/2017, passed in WPC 202K of
Okay.
2015, Your
Page?
Lordship. Page, Your Lordship. 33, starting from 33, my lord. Your Lordship, no, Your Lordship, this is not the order that has been reflected. Your Lordship, this.
Page 37.
No, Your Lordship, I'm extremely sorry, Your Lordship, it is at page,
I think it is page 37, para 5.
yes, page 67 also is there, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Here, Your Lordship, the issue whether the central CCS pension rule 1969 is applicable in the state of Nagaland has already been decided. Your Lordship may kindly come to page 70.
Okay, page 70, huh?
Page 70, para 4. Para 4. I may be allowed to read this, Your Lordship. This is the same issue, Your Lordship, that was raised when the petitioner filed a writ petition 202K of 2015. And the state has filed its counter affidavit, bringing on record, Your Lordship. And it says, Your Lordship, the state respondent has filed a counter affidavit, and in para 6, it has been stated that the Central Civil Services Extraordinary Pension Rule 1939 is not applicable to the state of Nagaland, and that the government has a separate scheme of awarding extraordinary pension to a regular government employees in the form of an office memorandum 6/6/1995. It is therefore the stand of the state respondent that the petitioner is not entitled to the extraordinary pension, Your Lordship. This was already stated, Your Lordship.
So what did the court say?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, para 5, on the next page, page 71. I may be allowed to read this, Madam.
Yes.
It is not in dispute that the petitioner late husband died while performing bona fide government duty on 30/11/2001, and that ex gratia grant amount of rupees 2 lakhs was paid to the petitioner in the month of December 2016. It is the case of the respondent that the ex gratia grant made to the petitioner was on the basis of an office memorandum dated 6/6/1995. This court, Your Lordship, this is important. This court has also taken into consideration the stand of the state respondent that the Central Civil Service Extraordinary Pension Rule is not applicable in the state of Nagaland. So the court has already taken consideration of this, Your Lordship. And therefore, in the impugned order, Your Lordship, this has been reflected again.
So when this court,
yes,
the coordinate bench of this court had made that observation.
Yes.
There's no this thing counter to that, isn't
Yes.
it?
Not only that, Your Lordship, the petitioner has not filed any appeal challenging this particular court order. So it has attained its finality. And therefore, Your Lordship, when this matter was again raised in the WPC 61, Your Lordship, this issue and the court and this particular court order was placed before this honorable court. And therefore, this honorable court has met this observation, Your Lordship, which I have just read it out.
Yes.
In the impugned
Okay,
order.
but besides this judgment, okay, because previously it says it's taken into consideration the stand, okay, but that stand is based on what? That it's not applicable.
Your Lordship, the state has not adopted the 1939 rules. Yes. Rather, Your Lordship, the state is maintaining the scheme under 6/6/1995.
Okay, 1995,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Now, this court had further observed, the previous coordinate bench, that since ex gratia payment was paid under 1995,
Yes.
this thing,
Yes.
therefore the extraordinary pension should also be considered.
It was
However,
considered.
it turned out that he was not paid under the 1995,
Correct,
but
correct.
under another scheme.
Correct, madam. Correct.
So anyways, if that's the point, I think we'll have to dismiss the review, though we want to help the petitioner, but we cannot pass simply on the basis of sympathy, okay, that we cannot do it. So we'll dismiss the review. Okay, I'll pass the order later, dismissed and disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged.
Anything else?
For orders, item number 17.
Obliged.
Yes.
Your Ladyship, I appeal on behalf of respondent number 1.
So what about paper publication on respondent number 2? The applicant is also absent, then we'll have to fix another date. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1, okay, is present, while none appeared for the applicant. Okay, while Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the applicant is present and submits that
3 weeks' time may be granted, Your Honor.
and has prayed for 2 weeks' time to
3
file
weeks, Your Honor.
3 weeks' time to file an affidavit showing that notice upon respondent number 2 has been done through newspaper publication. Okay. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Item number 18.
None appeared for the parties on call. List after 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 19.
It's a hearing matter.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is a testamentary appeal, my lord, and the appellant has challenged the order dated.
Who is the counsel for the appellant?
I am appearing for the appellant, my lord.
Okay, who is for the opposite party?
Opposite.
See, we cannot consider in the absence of the opposite party. Let's see the last order where
Your
they are
Lordship.
present.
Your Lordship, on the last
okay.
order, the matter had been adjourned with consent of both the counsels, my lord. Last order was passed on 8th of December 2025, Your Lordship.
But since none appeared today, we'll have to list another date.
In that case, if I may be heard,
What
because I'm
is the
traveling.
matter about?
Lordship, this is a testamentary appeal,
Oh.
and the appellant is aggrieved by the order passed by the learned district judge granting probate for a will.
Okay, we'll
yes,
concern.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
are there other parties related?
Lordship, the appellant happens to be the nephew of the testatrix, and the respondent number 2 herein happens to be her daughter-in-law, my lord.
So
The-
is there any chance of them coming to some amicable settlement, you feel?
Lordship, actually, number of cases have been filed. Actually, 4 cases are currently pending before civil courts in Rajasthan. A
Okay.
criminal case has also been lodged. The Honorable Rajasthan High Court was pleased to dismiss a criminal miscellaneous petition whereby the respondents herein had prayed for quashing of that FIR, my lord. And in this case also, my lord, hearings have taken place at least thrice, my lord. Matter was heard
So
at quite
it's
some
not
length.
possible for them
It's
to come
not, my lord.
because the mediation drive is going also.
But it's not possible, my lord, to reach an
They
amicable
are
settlement.
fighting over some property
Yes,
left
madam.
by a deceased who
Deceased.
maybe is remembered fondly by both the parties.
Absolutely, my lord.
So it's very unfortunate, isn't it? When
It
later
is
the
indeed,
dispute
it is
arises.
indeed, my lord. But the facts speak for themselves, my lord, in this case. Lordship may kindly just see their affidavit, my lord, the order.
Anyways, we cannot proceed with the hearing
I-
in the
I understand,
absence.
my lord.
So we'll fix another date.
Lordship.
You are for the.
Appellant, my lord.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant is present. However, none appeared for the respondents. In view of the above, due to the absence of, due to the non-representation of the respondents, matter be listed again after, when do you want it? After 2 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, also,
On-
if I may just take your indulgence, my lord, Lordship may kindly have a look at the order sheet of 7th of November 2024, my lord.
What does it say? Just read.
If I may read with your permission, my lord. Heard so-and-so learned counsels for the petitioner, also heard Mr. so-and-so learned counsel for the respondents. In the course of arguments rendered by the petitioner, Mr. so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner relied upon an order passed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Sikar, Rajasthan, dated 25th of May 2022, whereby the final closure report was not accepted and further direction for investigation was directed. However, the aforesaid order being in Hindi language, the learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to submit a translated copy of the same in English before this court. My lord, we have done that, my lord, on 14th of October 2025. So that may kindly come on record, my lord.
But wasn't that reflected in this court's order?
No, my lord.
sometime,
After,
somewhere?
in the subsequent orders, it has not been reflected, my lord.
Okay, however, in the absence of so-and-so, matter to be listed after 2 weeks. Okay, full stop. Then the learned counsel for the appellant further submits that they have taken steps in terms of this court's order dated.
7th is November 2024, my lord.
Okay.
And we have taken the steps on, my lord, 14th of October 2025.
Okay,
Application has
just
been
come
filed.
back to the court's order dated.
7th November 2024.
Okay, 7/11, in terms of this court's order, 7/11/2024, they have taken steps by filing the translated copies of the, what?
Of the order dated
Of the order dated
25th of May 2023,
20 May 2023, passed
passed by
by,
the learned Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate,
Okay.
Sikar,
Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrates, Seeker,
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan,
Lordship.
on
14th October, my lord.
14th
That's there in
October 2025,
5, my lord.
which has been placed on record.
Your lordship.
Okay. The submission is noted.
Lordship, I'm deeply obliged. If I may request for a fixed date in the matter, my lord.
Wait, so you have placed that as a copy supposed to be given to the opposite party, not required?
Lordship, I'll inquire because I have engaged the local counsel here, so that
okay.
must have been, I'll
Okay,
check.
so
my
we'll
lord.
leave that for the
I'll
time
check,
being, but you
yes.
give a copy. Okay, if
Absolutely,
not-
I'll supply them a copy.
Okay, fine.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay.